How to cut pears with F&. Sharp. I've laid out two knives perfect for this task, the F&. Sharp utility knife as well as the F&. Sharp paring knife. The utility knife offers a longer blade to cut through a larger pear, cutting it in half and then each half in half again, creating quarters. Standing one of the quarters upright, using the utility knife to cut downwards and curve around the core of the pear, and then we'll just go ahead and slice some wedges lengthwise. Now using a paring knife to show another way of taking out the core by simply using the tip and carefully working in a circle to cut out just that little bit of core. Laying one half of the pear cut side down on the board, starting from the top, just making nice slices here into half moon shapes. Again, using the utility knife, simply cutting the pear in half. Then using the paring knife, we're going to go ahead and start at the very top of this half of the pear, creating a wedge. Then we'll go to the outside of our last cut, make a wedge that is slightly larger, and then we'll go slightly larger than that. If cut properly, you'll gently push on those wedges forward, and when you do that, it'll create just a cool shape. Perfect for impressing friends and family. Now using that same paring knife, going lengthwise, we'll just make some nice pear slices. Make sure to check out fnsharp.com for more videos.